So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube intro or a YouTube outro in Canva. So if we just put in the search term YouTube on the home screen of Canva, then you can click to create a YouTube outro or an intro. And we could start with a blank screen. We'll not try that at this minute. And then you can search in the templates at the side, which have some of them are free and others you need to pay for. You can buy credit, and then you can use that credit. If you go for pro items, you pay like $1, $2 or whatever it is for different art contained here. So there's say this one here, which is a beach scene, and it's already got some items which then could be just moved off to the side and deleted, and then you can start putting in your own items. For example, you might want to do subscribe button. So there is a few here that you can choose which are free, like this one. So you can shrink that quite easily just by using these dots here. Shrink that, put that into the center. Then you might want to, if you're doing some sort of outro, or even if it's an intro, you can then maybe say you want a like button. And then you've got some like buttons. This one's free, so then we could shrink this one down and stick that up there, like. And perhaps then we want to say something like comment, and so we can find something to put for comment. Let's see, this one here, and then we can shrink that one, stick this one a little bit further down here, put that one over here, maybe, yep. And then when you click onto the background, where you've got these scissors here, is where you can actually increase or decrease the length of time that this will play. So for example, if you want to make it into a longer section to for your intro, say 5 seconds, then that's where you would do that and make the video for 5 seconds. Then you might want to change the way that the video works. So there's various ways to move the words around on the screen. So for example, we've got breathe, which just basically pops up the pictures. You've got fade, which then just fades them in. You've got pan, you've got rise. Then this one's quite good. You've got tumble, which tumbles your words in, and this one, which is photo zoom, and zooms them in. Photo flow. So you can choose one. There's also paid, where you have to obviously premium. You've got to pay for those. Photo rise. I think I like this tumble one's quite good. Then you can go, if you want audio, there is a place to go and get some audio. There isn't that many free audios here. I mean, this is one that I've used previously. But it's quite dramatic. Soothing waves might be nice, seeing as it's a beach scene. So then you can have soothing waves and you can have your information there. You might want to put some text in, like you might want to put your website, for example. So for this particular thing, I could put one of my websites, which is lifechangeplans.com. I'll change the colour, see, make it pink to match this, and so something like that, and then you can view the video and see what it looks like. So this, for example, would be like that. And that's how that works. So that's it, folks. This is how you would make an intro or an outro and with Canva. Okay, so that's just a quick mini tutorial on how to make intro or an outro in Canva, and you can experiment for yourself just by going to Canva. I will drop a link in the description below so that you can sign up for Canva from my link, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye for now.